Hello students, this is your Prakasam sir from Math Beyond Marks channel, where you will understand concepts first and marks will follow automatically. In this video, we are going to see about estimation and approximation as the continuous of the previous video. This is CBSE Class 8 Maths Chapter 2 Power Play. If you didn't watch the previous videos, I recommend you to watch the full playlist so that you can have continuity in watching. Also, I recommend this video to watch till the end so that you can understand the concepts very easily. If you are able to understand the concepts, then you can answer the questions immediately just like that. Any type of question they can ask. If you are ready with concepts, you can answer it just like that. Shall we go to the concepts? In the previous video, we learned different ideas about powers and exponents. In this video, we are going to see something interesting. How to estimate very large quantities. Let it be large or small. We are going to estimate even when the exact information is not available. Sometimes we cannot know the exact answer, but we can still find the reasonable estimate, a closer amount. Okay, now in the board, just you see there is a picture of a girl and a given in the textbook as jaggery in the weighing scale, both the sides. That means both are equal balanced. Now what the question goes like this. What is that? She wants to estimate or find out how much cost will be the jaggery equal to her weight. Yeah, that is an interesting question. Someone can ask how many coins, how much value of coins my weight will be equal to. I have to put how many coins and what will be the value of those coins equal to my weight, like that. Some interesting things are there. Now in this, both the things we don't know. What is it? Both the things we don't know here. The weight of the girl we don't know, and cost of the jaggery we don't know. But even then we are going to estimate. What? Let the girl's weight, how much may be? Mostly how much it will be? Girl's weight equal to girl's weight. Can you say how much it will be approximately? Can you guess it? Your weight. Now suppose you are in 8th standard. What is your weight? It will be some 40 kilogram. Yeah, that's all. 40 to 45 kilogram, like that, or even 30. Some may be 50. That is not the problem. Just let us take 40 kilogram or 41, 42, like that also you can take. But now in general example I have taken. The concept is quite same. That's all. Then what about the jaggery cost? What about the cost of the jaggery? Now do you know jaggery cost, how much it will be in this? Now the at present time how much it will be? You have to know all those things, but try to find out through your father or mother. Okay, but after 4 years or 5 years, if you watch this video, that jaggery cost will be different. That's what in some books no cost they will give, that will be entirely different, because the book will be going on published for 10 years. So the milk cost is given as 10 rupees, 20 rupees, but now it will be 40 rupees. But in your new book, that problems won't be there, because just last year only updated. Okay, jaggery cost, let it be some 70 rupees. Okay, I will estimate this one as 70 rupees per kg. 70 rupees per kg. Okay, I feel like that. Next, what is the cost? Total cost, how much? This is the statement sum. How they are giving like a picture and the statement in the form of a story. Now you take your book and read the story. It will be very interesting. Now total cost equal to, what is the total cost? Just it is simple approximation, simple calculation also. 40 into 70, that is how much? 0, 0, 7 4s are 28. 2,800 rupees cost will be her weight's equal amount. Are you clear? Now the same thing you imagine if she puts one rupee coin. Someone wants to know about 1 rupee coin. 1 rupee coin, we want to know how many coins you can put in that same place. So weight equal to 40. What is that weight? Girl's weight equal to 40. Girl's weight equal to 40 kilogram. Let it be as it is. Now, one more thing. What will be the weight of the coin? It may be 10 grams. Yes, that's all. 10 grams only. Okay, it may not be more than that. So, 10 grams means, yeah, let it be. Let us assume that weight of the coin equal to 10 grams. Weight of coin equal to 10 grams. That is 10 grams only the weight of the coin. Okay, now in 1 kilogram, how many coins you'll be getting? How many coins you have to put 1 kilo? Say, if you say just like that, the answer is over 40. Sir, 40 kilogram of coins you put it, sir, that will be equal to weight. That is not what the question is. How many 1 rupee coins are needed for a weight? So we are going to find out how many 1 rupee coins. So for 1 kilogram, okay, 1 kilogram, how many coins will be there? Means 1 kilogram is having 1000 grams. Okay, now I am saying something wrong. Won't it come 10 kilograms? I am having doubt now. Okay, anyhow, 10. If we divide it by 10, 1 kilogram, how many coin? 1 kilogram equal to 1000 grams. Therefore, number of coins equal to number of coins. Okay, here I'll write number of coins equal to number of coins is equal to 1000 by 10. That is nothing but 100 coins. 100 coins are needed for 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram of weight, 100 coins. You estimate it may be 1 kilogram. But I hope 1 gram, 10 gram it is not there. Only 1 gram is there, 2 gram is there, 3 gram is there. According to that, you can do the sum. Suppose it is 3 gram, you divide it by 3. If it is 5 gram one coin, divided by 5. Suppose you are taking 10 gram coin, it is more. Some 15 grams are there. That you divide by 15, then you will get number of coins. The question is quite simple. In this place, there may be lot of examples can be given. In the book, if you go through, there are many sums. So, what are the important things here? Weight of the girl, you have to estimate. Jaggery cost, if you know, use it. If not, just estimate according to your situation. That depending upon the time. Okay, now 100 coins means number of coins equal to 100. That means for 40 kilogram, 40 kg, how many coins will be there? 40 kg, 100 into 40. 1 kg, 100 means 40. That means 4,000 coins are needed. 4,000 coins. Yeah, it is reasonable. 4,000 coins. Maybe it may come, it may not come. But you have to find it out. Let me wait 1 minute. I'll find out the weight of the coin. I am having a balance. I'll find out and let me show you how much the weight will be exactly for 1 rupee coin. Let us see that one also. My dear children, this is the weighing scale. I hope you can see the number I feel, but I cannot show you. I'll keep it here, but the weight of this one is just I'll keep it here. Then if not, it won't come to balance. Okay. Now, this is 1 rupee coin. I'll keep here. It is coming exactly 5 grams. That means what happened here? The whole concept changes. 5 grams means divided by 5. Then 200 coins are coming. Then 200 coins means the number of coins required will become automatically how much? Only 2000 coins are required. Yeah, beautiful, interesting question. So why I have to do estimation? I am having, okay, this is over. Now, I am having one 5 rupee coin, new 5 rupee coin, this one. Okay, new 5 rupee coin is this. I want to weigh this. That is 7 grams. Okay, 7 grams means what you have to do? Divide it by 7 and get the answer. Next, I am having a 10 rupee coin. New 10 rupee coin is this one. Where, you can see if it is possible, you can go through. Yes, 10. but the weight of the 10 rupee coin is 8 grams. 8 grams only. So what I took is totally wrong. So what I have to do for a 10 rupee coin itself, 8 grams only. So what you have to do there? 40 kilogram is 1 kilogram. How much you will be getting? 10 gram is divided by 10, divided by 8, divided by 7, divided by 5, like that you have to do. So for 10 rupee coin, you have to divide by 8. The weight is 8 grams, means divided by 8. How many coins you are getting? That you multiply it automatically. Are you clear, my dear children? Yeah, this is a beautiful thing. One more, a big coin, 5 rupee coin is there that I'll see. That is also 5 gram only. So 1 rupee coin also 5 gram, 5 rupee coin also 5 gram, 2 rupee coin 7 grams, and 10 rupee coin 8 grams. This is what the coins we are having now. Based on that, you can find out how many coins are required for your weight also. Yeah, it's a playful method only. No, you try to find out for your weight. It's very interesting. Yes, you know, children, what chapter I am teaching? Estimation. The thing what I estimated first itself went wrong. What is it? First itself went wrong. This coin I estimated to be 10 grams, but it is totally wrong. It is only 5 grams. So 1 rupee coin is equal to 5 grams only. And 2 rupee coin, I wrote it as 2 rupees coins. I weighed and saw that as 7 grams. Okay. But what about 10 rupees coin? 10 rupees coin is only 8 grams. That coin may be thick in size, but even then there is a difference. Only small differences only are there. Now what I am coming to say is, this is why CBSE kept the chapter like this. They didn't give the number, they didn't give weight of the girl, they didn't give how many coins or weight of the coin, like that. Nothing is given. You are going to estimate. Now, once you are familiar with the estimate, they are going to give the weight of the coin. The logical methods are all same only. Nothing is going to be new. You know, no? Here, in the place of this one man, here this may be a scale or something else. In this place of jaggery, that may be 1 rupee coin or something else. In the book, one more example is given as wheat also. She wants to donate wheat to the temple, like that, and all something is given. So let it be anything, or this itself called as Tulabharam. The topic is given as Tulabhara. Okay, estimation is very closer only. I didn't say it is 1 kilogram, 100 gram, like that. That means what? I am able to find out the differences of grams, kilograms, and that. So I am able to, because that won't come kilogram and all. So you be careful, and that's why this estimation chapter is very useful for you. Any type of question they can ask here, be ready with the concept. What is the concept here? How much is the girl's weight you are estimating? How much is the coin weight you are estimating, and using the logic and finding out the answer. Are you clear? Shall I go to the next concept? My dear children, listen to this one. It's one, imaginary story or a story called imaginary ladder. That means what? The ladder from the earth to moon, there is no possibility of putting a ladder at all. But imagine we can make a ladder, and how many steps are needed? Okay, how many steps you have to climb to reach the moon? Like that the story starts. Will it be possible to calculate? Yeah, now today what we are doing in this video, we are learning about the estimation and approximation. The answer may go little bit here and there wrong, but anyhow, that we have to estimate and find out how many steps. If you are climbing in the ladder, how many steps you have to go above. That too, imagine the steps will be built 1 feet, that is 20 centimeter or 30 centimeter only ladder. That you have to imagine. and they have given in this question, they gave that the distance from the earth to moon is 3,84,400. What is the distance from earth to moon? 3,84,400. In the previous questions and all we have seen. Okay, from earth to moon, earth to moon, this very important thing, 3,84,400 kilometer is the total distance from earth to moon. Now we have to find out how many steps are required to climb from here to there using that magical ladder. Okay, now let us see. Earth to moon they gave. Now will it be the here between these two? Suppose this one step is there and another ladder it has some steps. No, how much gap it will be? In the book it is considered as 20. Yeah, let us consider the same thing only. Okay, 20 if you consider, what will happen? So gap between those two, for one step climbing, the distance covered for one step, how much distance you are moving? One step equal to 20 centimeter. You want, you can take 40 centimeter, 50 centimeter. The same thing, I will give my example. Suppose I am going for a walk. For 1 kilometer, how much distance, how many steps I am keeping is that will be different. Why? Because my one step to another step, the distance is 65 centimeter. Okay, based on that you can calculate. So suppose horse is running one step to another, different. One cheetah is running, that will be totally different. Okay, so distance from one step or two steps, that means between that steps how much distance. Here it is an example of ladder, that you consider that as a ladder. Okay, now here very important thing what you have to observe in this question is, it is in kilometer, it is in centimeter. Very important. No, either you have to convert this into centimeter or this into kilometer, which will be better, larger one, or you have to make it by 0.0, 0.00 like that you have to make it. I'll convert that one. We know 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Also 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. These two concepts you are going to use. So kilometer to meter, meter to centimeter. That means, so this comes now to be 384 400 and 3 zeros for converting to meter and 2 more zeros to convert that into centimeter. That's all. This is now in centimeter. Okay, not steps or anything. This distance I converted to centimeter. Yeah, it is possible. Okay, but don't try to read and all. It will come in billions, trillions like that. Okay, now in book it is given for us. They are introducing one more word, Arab like that and all. They are introducing. Let us see that one in this video itself. In this video or the next video we'll see. Now this is what. Now what is the next one? How many steps? How many steps means we have to divide it. That's all. How many steps are required means number of steps equal to number of steps equal to this. You have to write it fully. 3 8 4 4 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 like that. First previously they gave 2, I added 3 and again 2 by 20. Okay, now 1 0 cancel, and this one 2 you are going to cancel with 19. 19 2s are 38 and 2 2. Remaining zeros keep it as it is. 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros. Okay, now this is equal to 1 9 2 2 0 0 0 0 0. How many? 5 6. These are the steps. This many steps you have to count it. Okay, up to this 1000 It is okay 0. I'll make it to this system. Now here one more 3, that means 1,092,922,000,000, 1.9 billion, that means nearly 2 billion steps we need to walk. We need to climb 2 billion steps to reach the moon. Is it interesting? Yes, that's all. Suppose the step is increased to 40 centimeter. That's all. That will come 1 billion. Okay. So you can calculate based on this one. It is from Earth to Moon, Moon to Venus, or Earth to Venus, Mercury. Like that, they can ask anything. From here to Delhi, you can calculate easily now. If you know the distance, our step, how much length of our step if we calculate, then we can calculate the number of steps what we need to cover or use from here to Delhi or Mumbai or anything. So lot of questions can be framed and be ready for answering everything. What is the concept here? Conversions, division. From kilometer to centimeter or centimeter to kilometer. Convert it and finish it off. Are you clear? That's all. Over. What is this over? This question is over. What is here? It is a linear growth we have seen. What is meant by linear growth versus exponential growth? This is called linear growth. 1. Again it is added. Okay. 1 step 20. 2 steps 40 centimeter, 3 steps 60, like that. But you could have seen in the paper folding in the video 11, I hope. Yes, in video 11, that is first video of this playlist, that is this chapter, we have done one activity, paper folding. You know, if you fold once, it will become double. Again, if you fold, it will become 4, not 2 plus 1. 2 will become 4. Again, if I fold one fold, that will become 8. That is called exponent. What is that? Exponential growth. So that paper folding is called exponential growth. That you please watch that video to understand what is meant by exponential growth. Okay. Paper folding method we use it there to understand this concept, paper folding. Okay. Paper folding concept we used in the first video. Those who didn't watch, please watch that video and try to understand what is exponential growth. Again, I am saying 2 will become 4, 4 will become 8, 8 will become 16, 16 will become 32. Then that many folded, quickly it will move. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Suppose the thickness of the paper, we have taken the example as 0.01 centimeter. What will be for 4 fold into 0.01? What will be for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fold into this one into 32? 0.01 centimeter into 32. Like that, 2 power 10 is 1024. So many examples we have seen it. Please go through the whole chapter video to understand everything in a handy manner. If you understand everything, then concepts are known. If concepts are known, let them ask any question. If not, this is just like a story I taught. If not, what they would have asked? No, the distance between the earth to moon is 3,84,400. How many steps a person must walk to reach the moon? That's all. Okay, for that one question, okay, if the length of one step is 20 centimeter, like that they will give, and you have to calculate the same method only without understanding till these many days you are doing. Now you try to understand the concept and apply and then do. That's the speciality about the new book. Everything is given in the form of concepts and activities and patterns only. So try to understand the concept. For that, this channel will be better for you. Please watch the tagline itself. Concepts first, marks will follow. This is Math Beyond Marks, Prakasam sir. See you in the next video.